Mm. Good, guys. Because it's banana. But I want to avoid the super heavy coat. Like they dip in 1 kilo flour. So it's not good. Because the oil is too much. I removed the mm. Mm-hmm. Tapos di na ako mag-suhol, guys. Kinain ko na lahat. Isang beses. Tulog na lang ako, guys. Para ubusin natin ang salad, guys. Kasi sayang. Sayang yung veggies. Hindi na ito pwedeng i-reheat. Pag salad, huwag nyo nang itapon nyo na pag di naubos. Kasi, hindi na siya pwedeng initin. Dahil, hindi naman siya pwedeng initin ang salad. Dahil fresh. Hindi siya cook. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-reheat ng salad. Okay? Hi there! Who's watching me eating? Sayang. Super busog na ako, guys. Pero, kain ba din? Kasi, hindi tayo kakain mamaya. Okay. That's all for today's video, guys. I see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you all. Share, like, and subscribe. Okay, let's